welcome to Ray of History. Today we're going to look at something that's rather interesting. We're going to look at the evolution of type. The evolution of type. If you really go back to the beginning, it is something that you clearly see when you look into the design of forms. That is, human design is one of many designs. That is, the design of mammals or the design of plants, or all of these form designs are all different. And yet what one gets to see in most of the forms of life on this plane is that the most common of all definitions is no definition at all. Everything in essence emerges out of what we refer to as the reflector. This is where, in essence, everything begins. And the moment that we move from, being simply adrift in the consciousness field, totally in the embrace of the program, the moment we begin to establish or place our unique stamp on life, this is where you get to see the emergence of the manifesting generator. The first generator, the pure generator, that is the pure manifesting generator, the 2034 in essence. This is really the beginning of the defining of our capacity to express ourselves in a unique way. That expression, of course, is rooted in response. It is something to understand that the history of type begins with, in essence, the generator. This is the life force. This is not about simply taking everything from around, but defining one's own field, defining one's own life. All of this begins with the generator response. It is out of the manifesting generator that the pure generator and the manifester emerged. Inherent in the manifesting generator, obviously, is both. That is, this pure 2034. Integration, the integration channels, are at the very, very backbone of what our particular design is built on. The 2034 is a very, very important ingredient in this. It is the power to be able to realize activity in the now. And inherent in that is two things: potential to manifest, and at the same time, the inherent power of response in generating. Out of that pure manifesting generator, out of the 2034, arose the manifester and the pure generator, and all the variations that would follow for either. The various kinds of manifestors, the various kinds of generators. In 1781, something very special emerged. Out of the manifester, the projector. We are living in a projector era. It is the projector that is here to rise. It is the projector that's on the ascendancy. It is the projector that is designed to recognize and be recognized, and as such, it is the projector that is here to guide us in the future. As a matter of fact, the most significant of all relationships on this plane is the relationship between the projector and the generator. There is no more important relationship. They represent 90% of humanity. The generator that is here to respond, the projector that is here to guide. In that correctness, and in the correctness of their bond and their relationship, lies whatever potential there is for the future. We are no longer being determined by the archetype of the strategic, which was the manifester. That manifester that was able to focus specifically on doing its doing. We have entered into an age in which awareness is the most important tool. Projectors are here to be deeply, deeply aware. They are designed to master systems. They are designed to be able to grasp the essential way in which things are intended to work, and to be able to give their guidance in relationship to that. Since 1781, as we move along, projectors are becoming more and more dominant on our plane. The most recent example of that was the election, the truly surprising election in so many ways, of Barack Obama as President of the United States. A projector.